In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw your money from expert option and receive it through GCash using your mobile phone. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is launch the expert option app on your phone. If in case expert option is not available in your area or country, don't worry because you can simply go back to the official website and click the web version. Or if you want, you can also download the APK depending on your preference. In my case, I'm going to click the Trade Now button. And what will happen is it will ask me to log in using my account. By default, you will be forwarded automatically in the deposit section. So we're gonna go back here, and on the main homepage, I want you to click the three horizontal lines that can be found on the upper left corner and scroll down until you find the finances. Go to the withdrawal section and then just select GCash. Enter the amount that you wanted and make sure you meet the minimum withdrawal requirement. Review your details, and after confirming, tap the new request. Expert option will process the request, and processing times may vary depending on the method used. Remember, ensure your GCash account name matches your verification details when possible, and always check your withdrawal status in the transaction history. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw money using GCash. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.